Energy FM. Mora na.
Muna, Energy
Urbana.
FM. So I have a program over Energy FM, 7:30 in the morning until 8:30 in the morning. I have also a noon program over DXAA at Andres Bonifacio College, College Campus, where I've studied there for more than a decade already. So I have my noon program, 12 to 1:30 p.m.
May mo bayad sa court. Sa imo ka, may mo bayad.
Yes, kay mukhang sa korte, gaman ni desistance. Gamang desistance, pailan motion. So, tiyali, in 1 week time, settle na. Wala na po itong inyong hiring-hiring. Itong hiring-hiring, wala na to siya.
Hindi namin kinahan ba ito? Ikaw na lang mato sa court.
Ako rin mato.
Court?
Ako rin mato dito.
Hindi, Fras.
So Friday, magkita ta.
Friday, kung inyo kung tawdod, kulang na. Muli lang ko.
Hindi naman ka busy yung cellphone.
Hindi na ni busy. Text lang, tapos. Identify lang na si
And you,
Robert.
and you pay the court the money?
Not the court. Through the fiscal.
Fiscal.
Yeah, because NBI.
NBI.
Yes.
How much the NBI?
That money still the same amount. That 3,000 euro will be divided. So a portion of it will be given to the NBI, and part of it will be given to the prosecutor, and part of it will be given to the court for dismissal of the case. So it's up to you if something. So just trust, only pay once. So that money will be divided to the NBI, to the prosecutor, because the prosecutor, the one preparing the affidavit of desistance.